This dog likes to stop by this car wash to get a good rub.
Что делает собака? Какая она находчивая собачка. Они говорят, работники заправки, что она постоянно выжидает.
A few days ago, NASA released the clearest and most close-up view of the sun ever. Each blob of solar plasma you see is about 800 miles wide. A diver found an octopus that changes colors in a mesmerizing fashion. Mumbai, India has a major car horn problem. When people are waiting at red lights, they will hit their car horns even though that fixes nothing. For one day, the police introduced a system where people have to wait longer the more they hit their horns. Here's a really wrinkly cat. This person was walking to their car when they suddenly got run over by a deer. Luckily, the person wasn't hurt and got right back up. Here's a newborn elephant trying to walk for the very first time. That's the end of this video. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys again very soon. And this is your Daily Dose of Internet. These guys figured out how to make work just a little bit more fun.
Ladybird, ladybird. Oh, I'm the animal whisperer. Sit with Maisie and the ladybird. Yeah, Maisie, look, ladybird. Oh my god!
This is what the world record of stone skipping looks like. This diver ran into this absolutely massive manta ray. This is a glider, and it's an aircraft that has no engine or propeller and needs another plane to put it up in the air. If the conditions are right, a glider can fly for up to 10 hours without using any additional energy. This company has a product that can make your shoes really springy. Here's a behind-the-scenes look of how that shot was made. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again. And this is your daily dose of internet. This family found a massive dust cloud silently move its way through Australia.
To get in the picture now, that's how close to us it is.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh wow.
This person was playing basketball when a male woman stopped by to hype him up and deliver his mail.
Good boy.
A journalist was walking in a remote desert area in India when he noticed something strange. In the middle of this barren land, there appeared to be a massive jungle. The journalist found a man by himself and talked to him. It turns out that this one man has been planting trees in the desert since the 1970s. The jungle that started from nothing is now larger than Central Park in New York City.
এতিয়া সেইখন হাবিত অত্যন্ত অৰণ্য হোৱাৰ কাৰণে 115টা হাতী তাতে 3 মাহ দিন থাকে আৰু সেইদৰে গড় থাকে।
Many cocoa bean farmers around the world grow the bean to make a living, but have no idea what it's used for. This person gave some chocolate to these farmers in Africa as they've never tasted it before.
C'est doux. C'est doux là.
Vous aimez?
C'est vraiment intéressant. C'est doux. Oh.
The United States and Russia are the two largest arms dealers in the world. Here's a great visualization showing where these weapons are being sold. This company wanted to test out how strong their building materials were by creating the largest earthquake test ever. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.